Unlock the mystery of quotation marks in direct speech. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be delving into a very important aspect of English punctuation: the use of quotation marks in direct speech. This might seem like a daunting topic, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use quotation marks in your writing with confidence and precision. Let's get started. Quotation marks, also known as inverted commas, are punctuation marks used in pairs. There are two types of quotation marks: single and double. In American English, double quotation marks are used to indicate direct speech, while single quotation marks are used for a quote within a quote. British English does the reverse. However, this video will focus on the American usage. Example: John said, "I'm going to the park." John said, "Did you hear him say, 'I'll join you later'?" Rule 1. Always use quotation marks at the beginning and end of a direct speech. They show exactly what the speaker said. Rule 2. Place punctuation marks inside the quotation marks if they're part of the speech. Example: She exclaimed, "What a beautiful day." Rule 3. If the quoted speech is interrupted by a speech tag, use a comma to separate the speech from the tag. Also, begin the second part of the speech with a small letter unless it's a proper noun. Example: "I don't know," he said, "if I can make it." Rule 4. If a sentence ends with the quoted speech, the final punctuation mark comes before the closing quotation mark. Example: She asked, "Are you coming with us?" Rule 5. When each person's speech in a dialogue is a new paragraph, start the quotation marks at the beginning of each paragraph but only put the closing quotation marks at the end of the last paragraph. Example: "I was thinking," Jane started, "maybe we should go to the park first. What do you think?" Well, there you have it, folks. The mystery of using quotation marks in direct speech is no more. Remember, like all other language skills, this too needs practice. So keep writing, keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll master the use of quotation marks in direct speech. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.